Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News.
Hey, Curious Crew! Big Brain here. Welcome to Episode 5. Today we've got space science, a super spring celebration, and animals getting a helping hand in nature. And remember, news helps us learn, one question at a time. Whoa! Did you know some fish need to take a river road trip to grow up? But sometimes their highway gets blocked. In the Northeast, places like Maine, New Hampshire, New York, and Vermont, new projects are getting money to help fish and birds. Here's the fish part. Some fish, like river herring and Atlantic salmon, are born in rivers, then swim out to the ocean, and later they come back to rivers to lay eggs. That's like if you had to leave your house, go live at the beach for a while, then return to your same neighborhood to start your own family. But if a river has barriers, like old dams, broken culverts, or other blocky spots, fish can get stuck. So these projects will help remove or fix river barriers, so fish can migrate more easily. When fish can move around, they can find food, avoid crowded spots, and reach the best places to lay eggs. And now the bird part. Grassland birds and golden-winged warblers need the right habitats, like open grassy areas and healthy patches of plants, to build nests and raise chicks. Helping habitats is like making sure a playground has safe slides, sturdy swings, and enough space to run. Nature is a big team sport, and these projects are like giving the team better shoes, better maps, and a smoother path.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Have you ever celebrated a holiday that says, "Hello, spring," right as the world starts to feel brighter? That's what Nowruz is, Persian New Year. And there's a free family festival coming to Washington, D.C. at the Smithsonian's National Museum of Asian Art. Nowruz is celebrated by many people around the world, and it's all about new beginnings. Think of it like your brain getting a fresh notebook. Crisp pages, new ideas, and lots of possibilities. At the festival, families can expect storytelling and hands-on activities. Storytelling is like a time machine made of words. You can travel to new places without even leaving your seat. Hands-on activities mean you're not just watching. You're building, drawing, trying, and creating. One special part of Nowruz is something called a haft-seen table. It's a traditional table set with items that often start with the same letter sound in Persian. The table can include symbols for things like growth, health, sweetness, and light. It's kind of like making a meaning table, where every object is a tiny clue about hopes for the new year. And because it's at a museum, you're surrounded by art, paintings, patterns, colors, and shapes that can inspire your imagination like fireworks made of crayons. So if you love spring, stories, and making stuff with your hands, this festival sounds like a giant welcome party for the season.
Hey kids, it's Big Brain with your Daily Scoop. Today, brains can control your body. Watch this. Whoa, my arms are off. Come back here, you. I guess they have a mind of their own.
Okay, space explorers, want to hear something wild? A robot spacecraft is doing weather science on Mars, and it just got extra time to keep working. The United Arab Emirates is extending its Hope Probe Mars mission through 2028. So what is the Hope Probe? It's a spacecraft that orbits Mars, meaning it loops around the planet like a race car on a giant invisible track. From up there, it studies Mars's atmosphere, which is the layer of gases around the planet. On Earth, our atmosphere helps us breathe and also helps make weather, like clouds, wind, and rain. Mars has weather too, but it's very different. There aren't rainy afternoons like here, but there can be winds and dust that swirl around the planet. Imagine powdery cinnamon dust whooshing across a playground, except the playground is a whole planet. Quick note, that cinnamon idea is just a comparison, and Mars dust isn't something people are around or breathing. By watching Mars for a long time, scientists can spot patterns. That matters because weather is a puzzle. One day doesn't tell you the whole story. The longer you watch, the more you learn how the pieces fit together, like noticing that a certain kind of cloud shows up after a certain kind of wind. And here's the coolest part. When we learn about Mars, we also practice how to explore safely and smartly. Space missions teach us how to build strong machines, send messages across huge distances, and work as a team across countries. So, Hope Probe is basically a super patient space detective, collecting clues from the red planet, one orbit at a time. Today we learned how people can help animals travel, how Nowruz welcomes spring with meaning and fun, and how a spacecraft can study Mars weather for years. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.
Woo!